Hey guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how to use your phone as your webcam on your PC. So first of all, go to Play Store, type IP webcam, install it, accept. Open it. Set the video preferences and effects according to you. Then go to bottom and click on Start Server. Say no. Copy the URL given below in your web browsers of PC. So let's move computer screen. I will put and hit enter. We'll come across such a page. Then it will click on the first option, video render, and click on browser. So whatever we will display here will come here. See, whatever my phone is seeing is being displayed on here. So like that you can use your phone as a camera on your PC. So thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel.